The list of top 15 contestants of 2015 New Cover New Silk Road North America Fashion Glamour was announced recently based on a combination of online votes and the judging panel's decisions. Following the announcement, JD Models, the presenter of the competition, held a training session for the 15 finalists at Scotiabank Dance Center, downtown Vancouver on January 10, 2015. Before the training session, the models were given some time to mingle with each other. Some of the models expressed their excitement about the upcoming trainings and other events, and they were confident that they will be able to do well in the final round of the competition, the Fashion Glamour Night that's going to take place at River Rock Theatre on February 17, 2015.
I am so happy to be here. Like I said, I've only been doing this for 10 months, so I definitely never thought something like this would happen already. I've always been a huge fan of Top Model and all those shows, so kind of feels like I'm living the dream right now. It's pretty great.
The training officially started at 3 p.m. in the Market Studios on the 7th floor. JD Models founder Jessie Lee was the conductor of the day, and she gave the models a bunch of useful tips on how to better present themselves on the catwalk and in front of the cameras. The finalists all quickly got the feel and were able to apply the techniques with their personal characteristics in the practice session. The top 50 models will soon take part in a series of photo shoots, charity events, and other promotional activities. Friends and family of the 15 finalists will be able to show their support at the public events as well as on our official Facebook page.